Hi, I'm Leathur Rokk. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making burritos for dinner, and I got a can of American Beauty brand refried beans. Brand doesn't matter. Open it up here. And for the tortillas, I picked these up at the Dollar Tree actually a couple weeks ago. So, and I already made rice in the steamer, and it's already ready for me over there. First thing I want to do is heat these up, and I'm going to use a little Corningware Grab It, real small. This actually holds a full can of whatever kind of mixed vegetables or whatever, even though I'm not using maybe not even half this can. Here. I find using these spatulas makes it so much easier to take out something really thick like beans would be. Whenever I throw in any kind of beans, I usually throw in some cumin. Add a little bit more flavor to them. Another thing I'm going to have available, I'm going to open up a can of tuna fish, and we have lemon pepper seasoning, and that goes, when you use lemon pepper seasoning, you really skip a lot of extra steps with lemon and salt and pepper and maybe lime, and whether you want to use fresh or whether you want to use from a bottle. And this stuff you can find it at the dollar store or Dollar Tree or whatever, and it's just really wonderful. And this is how I always heat my tortillas. Use very low flame. And I very carefully warm it all. They're much easier to work with when they're warmer. And I think it brings out the flavor in them also. I don't normally like to do more than one at a time warming them because they lose their heat right away, especially if you don't have clean towels to wrap them in. And some people actually get special containers just to keep their tortillas warm. One thing you never want to do with any kind of baked products, if you have a microwave oven, never use them to reheat them. What they will do to anything made of dough is they'll make it doughy and tacky and rubbery and very unpleasant. So you always want to use an oven or a toaster oven or something in order to reheat your baked goods. Now I have the beans here. You know what? I think I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder or garlic salt to that. And I'm going to add a wee little bit of chili powder to those beans also. I thought I had garlic salt here, and I'm sure I do, but I think I'll just do garlic powder and salt. This is what beans look like. Get out the rice here. I'm probably going to have to make some more rice since this was actually, I started this rice yesterday, and I knew I was going to do this again so that I can make more, so that I can have something for my mother also. Now, for the tuna tacos, burrito, I'm not going to mix the tuna in with the beans. I would just do the tuna over in oil over the rice and then put the lemon pepper seasonings on that. And I think probably some hot sauce would be a good idea also. If I can find some. You know what? Can we be out of hot sauce? Oh, the horror. sure where to find a packet of some kind of. Yes, I have found a packet of Chinese food hot sauce. That will definitely do. Very easy. Very easy. If you're in a pinch and you have refried beans and you have a rice cooker, they don't need to be beautiful. Just, if you can see what I'm doing here, just wrap them. And, oh, and as far as the tuna goes, here, I'm going to start off with the already opened can here. And of course, this actually the cats are going to get. Just open up your tuna in oil, put it over top of your rice, shake some of this lemon pepper on, and it'll be quite wonderful. That's what's cooking in my house. Okay, talk to you in a couple of days. Bye.